Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel your Tinder Gold subscription on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. The method depends on how you subscribed. First, let's cancel through the iPhone Settings app. Open Settings. Tap your name at the top, then tap Subscriptions. Find Tinder Gold, tap it, and select Cancel Subscription. Next, using the Tinder app. Open the app, tap your profile picture at the top left, go to Settings. Scroll down, tap Manage Payment Account, then select Cancel Subscription. Now, if you subscribe through the Google Play Store, open the Play Store app, tap your profile picture at the top right, then tap Payments and Subscriptions and then Subscriptions. Locate Tinder Gold, tap it, and select Cancel Subscription. So that's basically how you can cancel your Tinder Gold subscription on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.